basic issue si di hoji ki Hillers committee ki resolution se si the language de shana bane si di writ petition writ appeal ki order to the clearly hai caretaker yade na hai re caretaker amma hapasi yade hai amma hapasi yade na hai kham tung do hoji di kunamu ga hap kem na hai re si di kari language maming di change do ba court na caretaker yadav ni na committee ama shem raga mi trani pan hap se plus nominee ani hap raga mi kun hap se na hai ri se sidi languages hana bane sidi court bo angde respect leitabra court gi order do yaning dabra kari lebra di khangdre khoi se adu sibadi yaro on top of that over and above that mi trani pan hap kni se plus government nominee ani mi kun kari basis da hap tori bano kana na khan dori bano asi ki detail amadu su leitaba jamna resolution dare ikun hap se atudum doi atudi yaroi next point da luckily unluckily Hill Areas Committee ki 20 members all belong to the ruling party 20 members are ruling party ki member ngakne kari ki damakta 20 members sina push tawraga district council election ji huji phawta ho ngamda 20 members se leitabra Hill Areas Committee se moina kambi khandar jalla 20 MLA sina tribal MLA sina Hill Areas Committee se power amta leite en khanda jalla 20 MLA sina grassroots democracy purok se habis the karimta interest leite jalla 20 tribal MLA se kari ki damakta grassroots democracy macha village to leidi bo singdu benefit people ki se pining da jalla moise kari interest leibin moise why are they not pushing for elections in the 6th district council over and above that why is the government grassroots democracy se muthat ken tori regularly cabinet meeting asi tawre assembly de shu asi thas tawrani adu tawrani regularly press briefing thore why district council ki yengati 4 years valley ki grassroots democracy panchayat ki adu same thing ari damakta no si pending ledi bas ekhoi request the Congress party believes in grassroots democracy Congress party believes that democratic principles में हमसे grassroots की हवरदी मतलब की assembly और मतलब की अगर में हमसे कन्वेनियन खाली institutions में हमसे कन्वेनियन कर ले Congress party demand और इसी request और बाहर से demand और शो ngamoy da na request or ibisi karino haraga Athuba resolution se ko di Sukya Yaningde adubo district council elections not only the district council elections natana ki leiba panchayat ki go amagi go Athuba to biro habisi 20 MLA singo ina haning si is this what tribal MLA singo and Hill Areas committee members singo haning budi is this what you have been elected for equally right suppressed over the equally right suppressed over say grassroots democracy villages में हमगे right suppressed over say no ये अच्छी democracy हंगर की ब्राइब से thank you